My name is Abdullah Khan from Chemical Department, University of Engineering and Technology. I'm beginning with mid presentation, and today my topic is limitation of Ziegler-Natta catalyst. I'm going to discuss what is actually Ziegler-Natta catalyst is. So first, I'm going to share what's the structure of Ziegler-Natta catalyst and how we can get Ziegler-Natta catalyst. By the combination of two compounds such as titanium tetrachloride with the co-catalyst triethyl aluminium, we will get Ziegler-Natta catalyst. By the insertion of ethene, we will make complex catalyst, and we can terminate it with two methods. One is hydrogen addition, and second is beta alkyl. So let's go into our introduction. What actually Ziegler-Natta catalyst is. Ziegler-Natta catalyst help to polymerization of olefin. Olefin are that compound in which contain carbon-carbon double bond. So it polymerize the olefin to high molecular weight as well as high order structure, as I mentioned stereo regularity. I will discuss it later. I have a detailed discussion about stereo regularity. So Ziegler-Natta catalyst is especially useful because it can make polymeride that cannot be made any other way, such as linear unblanched polyethylene and isotactic polypropylene. So in such a way, we cannot make the material in other ways. So we use Ziegler-Natta catalyst in order to polymerize that monomers. So let's going toward limitation of Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Ziegler-Natta catalyst basically we use polymerize hydrocarbon monomers like ethylene as well as propylene, but there are some limitations where we cannot use Ziegler-Natta catalyst. As I mentioned, component polyvinyl chloride, where here we cannot use Ziegler-Natta catalyst because when catalyst and co-catalyst combine, it make initiator complex radical are produced during intermediate stages of reactions. So these radical formalize of the vinyl chloride monomers. So same it's happened with the acrylates. It also doesn't occur with Ziegler-Natta catalyst. It initiate anionic vinyl polymerization in those monomers. So polymers that are formed by free radical such as polyvinyl chloride are atactic. Atactic means those compounds which are randomly arrangement, and they are also called amorphous. So most Ziegler-Natta catalyst and all the alkyl aluminum are unstable in air. All alkyl aluminum are pyrophoric substance. Pyrophoric means those substance which in the presence of oxygen it ignites. So it is that's why it's unstable in the presence of air. We cannot prepare Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So Ziegler-Natta catalyst, for preparation of Ziegler-Natta catalyst, we use inert atmosphere. Inert atmosphere, so it doesn't impact the production and quality of the catalyst during preparations. So inside effect of the particle. So it's affect many things, but actually the catalyst size must be catalyst size affecting performance of catalyst, as well as Ziegler-Natta catalyst also affect the size and morphology of the Ziegler-Natta catalyst of a primary importance to production of olefin that can affect the plant operation as well as catalyst productivity. So its impact in many ways. Ziegler-Natta catalyst particle size has strong influence not only catalyst performance as well as morphology and particle size disturbance of the final polymer particles. It means that if we need a desired product in a polymer particle size, so we should a properly selective particle size, what should be the particle size? Fundamental insist into the catalyst particle formation process is therefore industrial important. It is important for industry to careful prepare the particle size of the Ziegler-Natta catalyst because it impacts in many ways, such as it impacts the performance of catalyst as well as plant operation, and as well as other effect it may also create. So there are single steps preparation process for the catalyst. We divide it to two steps. First one is precipitation of magnesium based support. Second one is adsorption precipitation of titanium species. The growth of the catalyst particle size occur only in the first stage and controlled by the aggregation and breakage even during the magnesium chloride precipitations. So growth of catalyst occur in the first steps, and the second steps no growths occur in the second steps. Now, as I told you what is stereo regularity actually is, the stereo regularity of the polymers depends on the catalyst. So if we need a particular product in a particular shapes, we need to proper use of a catalyst. What should be the catalyst used for that? If we make a polymers, so their stereochemistry does not change. So we have to be very careful in order to select the catalyst for the particle which we are dealing to produce our polymers. Stereochemistry, the branch of chemistry concerned with the three-dimensional arrangement of atoms and molecules and the effects of on the chemicals reactions. So the concept of stereo regularity, isotactic mean alkyl groups will be attached to the carbon in a regular patterns. So second one is syndiotactics, mean the alkyl groups will be attached to the carbon in an alternate pattern. And finally,